Welcome, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important books you'll ever read as a startup owner, The Startup Owner's Manual. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to build a successful startup from scratch. It's packed with valuable insights, practical advice, and real-world examples that will help you navigate the complex world of entrepreneurship. Now, you might be wondering why this book is so essential. Well, let me tell you, it's because it's based on the lean startup methodology, which is a proven approach to building successful startups. This methodology has been used by some of the most successful companies in the world, including Dropbox, Airbnb, and Uber. And in the Startup Owner's Manual, you'll learn exactly how to apply these principles to your own startup. Steve Blank is a Silicon Valley entrepreneur who has founded or worked with 8 startups. He has also taught entrepreneurship at Stanford, Berkeley, and Columbia universities. Blank is widely regarded as one of the pioneers of the lean startup movement. Bob Dorf is a serial entrepreneur who has launched numerous successful companies. He has also advised startups and taught entrepreneurship at Columbia Business School. Dorf is known for his expertise in customer development and lean startup methodology. The lean startup methodology is a revolutionary approach to building startups that prioritizes experimentation, customer feedback, and iterative development over traditional planning and execution. At its core, the lean startup methodology is all about learning what works and what doesn't as quickly and efficiently as possible. By constantly testing assumptions and adjusting course based on feedback, entrepreneurs can avoid wasting time and resources on ideas that don't have real market potential. The customer development process is a crucial aspect of building a successful startup. It involves getting out of the building and talking to potential customers to validate your business idea. This process helps entrepreneurs understand their customers' needs and pain points, which allows them to create products and services that truly solve problems. One example of the customer development process in action is Dropbox. The company's founder, Drew Houston, created a video demonstrating the product before it was even built. He then shared the video on Hacker News and received overwhelming positive feedback from potential customers. This validated the need for Dropbox and helped Houston secure funding to build the product. Iteration is a fundamental aspect of the startup process. It involves refining and improving your product or service through a continuous cycle of build, measure, learn feedback loops. The build, measure, learn feedback loop is a simple yet powerful tool that can help entrepreneurs identify and address problems early on in the development process. By building a minimum viable product, measuring its performance, and learning from user feedback, entrepreneurs can make informed decisions about how to improve their offering. In conclusion, we have learned about the importance of the Startup Owner's Manual and how it can help entrepreneurs build successful startups. We discussed the background of the authors Steve Blank and Bob Dorf, as well as the key principles of the lean startup methodology and the customer development process. We also emphasized the importance of iteration in the startup process and how the build, measure, learn feedback loop can help refine products and services. We hope that this presentation has inspired you to read the Startup Owner's Manual and apply these principles to your own entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.